Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Chelan and this is Pembam and Why. Thank you guys for joining me. And for today's video, I'll be making another Christmas bouquet and we'll be using this flower right here. We'll put this inside our bobo balloon. So the bobo balloon is 18 inches. So all the materials will put all the sizes, color in the description down below. Please check it out. So now we'll start off with our gold balloon. This will be the base. So we will inflate this to 7.5 inches or 19.05 centimeter. We will need 4 of this. So I get another 2 already pre-inflated. 4. And I also have our water weight or balloon weight. So this is actually 2 5-inches filled with water. And if you want to know how I made this, we have a different video tutorial right there. Please check that out. So we have our fishing line. This is 20 pounds. We'll tie our fishing line right on your balloon weight. Okay, here it is. Okay, we'll put this on our base. So just put this here and then lasso it to your balloon. So there it is. It's on the bottom. Okay, so now we'll inflate the top layer, the second layer. So this time we will inflate this to 6.5 inches or 16.51 centimeter. Same thing like what you do on the base, the bottom layer. So we'll grab the bottom layer, put it on here, and put this on top. And I give it a little push, pull your fishing line, give it a little push, pull, and then you do it like a shape of a figure 8. Just like that. I'll do it on here as well. Then lasso. So it's nice and tight. The bottom base. Okay, so we'll put this on the side for now. So this time I will inflate our 18 inches bobo balloon. So before you inflate this, you will stretch. So remember, we will put this inside our bobo balloon. So after you stretch the material, release the air. Alright guys, so I got my sealer right here. And then we'll cut the side so we can put our big flower. So I'll cut the edge on this one here so I can put in my flower. So I got an opening right here. Looks like I need to open more. So after I open this one, I will put this inside. So before I do that, I'm gonna need 260Q. So I will bend this. By the way, you can get this, I get this particular flower our local store, Hobby Lobby. Or you can get this in any craft store or online. Okay, so I will bend this just like that. So I'll tie my 260Q. Just like that, guys. I tied it. Okay. I will use a balloon stick. So I can use this to feed it through the hole. There you go. So now it's time to seal. So we'll seal our balloon. So I will set this up about 3.5. Alright, so we'll see if it worked. So we'll pull air from here. Then since I know it worked, I will open this up. So I'll just spread the petals. Pull this. So now once I'm done, I'm gonna tie the end. Alright guys, so now it's finally in here. I make a tie right on the very bottom. So now we'll put this on top of our base. So the 260Q, evenly push, and then attach to here. Just like that, and it's not going nowhere. There's your flower inside. So I'm gonna show you how to make this. So basically, we're gonna make this leaves right here. So this leaves is gonna be attached on this side. like that. You need 5 inches balloons. You need 3 of them. You need your 260Q green. I'll fold this into half. Then you cut this in half. There's 2 pieces here. So now the first one, I'm gonna make a knot. You need your balloon stick. Fold this in half. And then stick it in your 5 inches balloon. So now make sure this is sticking out. Pump air. On your 5 inches balloon, pump air, and then pump your 260Q. I'm gonna pump 1, 2, 3. Hold the balloon. So you want to pull the end of your balloon until it resists. Then you tie this. You tie your 260Q twice. Got the excess balloon on your 260Q, and then release the air. So just like that. Make a knot. Make a knot on your balloon, your 5 inches balloon, so it's gonna look like this. Okay, so we'll make another one. And then you just have to shape it. So you need your 260Q silver, stretch, then I'll pump air. Just like that, leaving some on the tip. Tie a knot. So after you do this, you will make a, you fold it and then pinch and twist. This one, I tack it in here. So I'll make 2 of this. So fold, pinch and twist. So now you're gonna make another one. You pinch and twist. So about 3 fingers. After you do that, fold and twist again. Fold, pinch and twist. And look like that. Same thing. Pinch and twist. So now there's 2. Same thing. Three. So you'll make 4 of this. So it's gonna look like that. Okay, so I will twist this. Same thing on the other side. After I do that, so that's what you're gonna see. So now I'll put the small one on here. put it in between, and then just tie it or lasso. It's gonna look like that, guys. So put this on here. So probably like about this long. Pinch and then twist. This here. We'll do the same thing on the other side. So this, I will stick it in here. I'll do the same thing on the other side. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do here is just pull this on top. Pull it like that. Same thing on this side. Alright guys, so there it is. So now we will incorporate this snowflakes right here. So again, if you want to know how we made this, we have a different video tutorial. Please check that out. We'll just make it like this, so this video is not gonna be that long, so please check that out. So we will use our balloon glue dots and we'll put our snowflakes right on top of our boo-boo balloon and some in front of our balloon right there. Alright guys, so now it's time to put our Merry Christmas right on the boo-boo balloon. Alright, and there you go guys, it's finally done. We put our Merry Christmas right on there. So alright guys, I hope you like this and learned something from this channel. And once again, my name is Chelan and this is Bam Bam Inwai. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in our next video, and please give us your thumbs up, like and subscribe, share to your friends. And if you're not subscribed as of yet, please do subscribe to our channel. It helps our channel grow. Again, Chelan here. Thank you guys for watching. This is the back side, like that. And Merry Christmas to everyone right there. Bye, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Thank you. Bye.